Prove that the values of fourth root of minus 1 are plus or minus 1 by root 2 1 plus I. Let me start. Let me assume this number as z. Z is equal to fourth root of minus 1, which I can write it as z is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 by 4. Now let me write this in polar form. What is the polar form for minus 1? Z is equal to cos pi plus I sin pi to the power 1 by 4. So writing in polar form, that is the first step. Next, what do you have to do? Add 2k pi to the argument. So z is equal to 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi plus pi to the power 1 by 4. Now you see this bracket, I can take pi common. So z is equal to 2k plus 1 pi plus I sin 2k plus 1 pi to the power 1 by 4. Now let us apply de Moivre's theorem. What is de Moivre's theorem? The power 1 by 4 should be put near the angle. So z is equal to cos 2k plus 1 pi by 4 plus I sin 2k plus 1 pi by 4. Now the last step. We have to assume various values for k starting from 0. So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. Why 3? One number before this the given number 4. If we have here 4, up to 3 we have to write. So k values are 0, 1, 2, 3. Now let me put the k value 0 in this particular step. So when I put k value 0, what I will have? Cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 means cos 45 degree. So cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. Sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. Now when k is equal to 1, when I put k is equal to 1 here, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So I will have cos 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4. This 3 pi by 4 I can write it as pi minus pi by 4. When you take LCM, you can see you will get 3 pi by 4. Similarly, this also I am writing it as pi minus pi by 4. Actually, what is the purpose behind writing like this? To find out which quadrant. Pi minus means 180 minus. 180 minus means second quadrant. In second quadrant, only sign is positive. Cos will be negative. So here I have to put minus sign. Near sign I have to put plus sign. In second quadrant, sign positive, cos negative. Now you have to see cos pi by 4, that is cos 45 degree value 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. Next, put k is equal to 2. When I put here 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So I will have cos 5 pi by 4 plus I sin 5 pi by 4, which I can write it as cos pi plus pi by 4 plus I sin pi plus pi by 4. You can see when I take the LCM and simplify, I will get the same answer 5 pi by 4. Now, the purpose behind writing like this is pi plus means 180 plus. 180 plus means third quadrant. In third quadrant, both sine, cos, both are negative. So, both the places I have to put minus sign. Third quadrant, sine and cos are negative. Then you have to see cos 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. K is equal to 3. Let me substitute here 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 4. So cos 7 pi by 4 plus I sin 7 pi by 4. Now this 7 pi by 4 I can write it as 2 pi minus pi by 4. 2 pi minus pi by 4, when you simplify you will have 7 pi by 4. Now when you write 2 pi minus pi by 4, what is the meaning? 360 minus. 360 degree minus means which quadrant it is? It is fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos alone will be positive. So here you will have plus. Sine should be negative. So I will have 1 by root 2 minus I 1 by root 2. So this 4 answers, when we sum up, you get this answer plus or minus 1 by root 2 1 plus I.